Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing BobaBao slimes. This slime shop belongs to itsKristii, who is a famous YouTuber and TikToker. She's been in the slime game for years and I love to watch her videos. This was my first time purchasing from her shop and the packaging was bomb. It came with a bunch of candies, also her business card, ball racks, and some really pretty stickers. I really liked her box and the shredded paper that was inside, and everything came bubble wrapped. I got 4 8-ounce slimes and 2 mini slimes with a clay donut and some cute accessories. I love it when slime shops pay attention to their packaging. When I got this box, I was super excited and I felt really special. She put her logo on top of her 8-ounce slimes, but I did notice her stickers were not slime proof. Overall, I have to give her packaging a 10 out of 10. Nothing leaked or was damaged, and everything was pretty. Hello, new subscribers. Thank you for joining my slime channel, Slime and Roblox. And hello to my old subscribers. I have way more content coming. I had a ton of fun playing with this shredded paper, and some of it was actually holographic, and this box was beautiful. I emptied out the shredded paper so you guys can see the bottom. It was so nice. Okay, let's get into the slime. Like Kristie says, woo! The first one is Scooby Doo Gummy. Let's see what Kristie has to say about her slime first, and then I'll give my thoughts.
And here we have Scooby Doo Gummy, which was inspired by the blue Scooby Doo gummy snacks we all know and love. This is a jelly slime scented with a strong blue raspberry scent, and it's also filled with a pretty blue glitter. For a jelly slime, it's thick, but it's also stretchy at the same time. It's great for poking, and it also has really good bubble pops. Even if you don't love Scooby-Doo, this slime is so worth it for the scent. I love blue raspberry anything. It's my favorite flavor, and the scent is just so strong. You'll smell the scent right when you open the container. So if you love blue raspberry flavor too, I highly recommend this one.
I love the color and the glitters. I had the Scooby Doo gummies before. My friend gave me some and they were really good. I love Scooby Doo. She describes this slime as a jelly, and it is definitely thick. This is the thickest jelly I ever had. It was a tad bit sticky, but I had to put the littlest amount of activator, but that's okay. When it comes to the scent, I do get the blue raspberry smell. It does smell like candy, but there is another scent in there and I don't know what it is. It's not the most pleasant scent. It smells like old wet socks. Sorry, Kristie. To be honest, I don't know what that is, and it's so unexpected because I know she knows how to make amazing slime. Overall, I have to give this one a 7 out of 10. Love the texture, but the scent is a no. Moving on, we have the Candy Man. Here's how she describes it.
Okay, I think you guys are gonna go bananas over this slime. This is the Candyman inspired by Willy Wonka. It's one of my favorite scenes from the movie. The slime comes with 2 candy-themed charms for the 6 and 8 ounce sizes, and it's a super crunchy bingsu bead slime. It's filled with the prettiest pastel-colored mix of bingsu beads. There's also heart sprinkles and 3 confetti glitters. The slime inflates so much, and it is so crunchy. The crunches and sizzles are just unreal. My bingsu slimes always sell out first, so if you want this one, definitely try to get to the shop early on. It's scented with a strong, sweet Candyland scent that smells so good. I love this one so much.
This one was my favorite bingsu slime ever. It was so crunchy and it wasn't sticky. Most slime shops pack their slimes with a bunch of bingsu beads, but there is not a lot of slime. They are super crunchy but not fun to play with. But this one had the perfect amount of beads to slime. I love the bingsu beads and the glitters she put in here. It's so pretty and it did inflate. I've never had an inflating bingsu slime before. This did smell like sweet candy. I absolutely love this one. I will give this one a 10 out of 10. Yay, Kristii! Moving on, we have the Charlie duo with the Charlie donuts and the Charlie iced coffee drink.
Next up, we have Charlie's Donuts. This slime is going to be sold as a duo with the Charlie drink. The base is a thick pink glossy slime scented with a sweet jelly donut scent, and it also comes with the cutest powdered sugar clay donut and sprinkles that you get to mix in.
My donuts was really hard to get out of the cellophane paper. I'm thinking my clay dried out, but I don't know why because it was so nicely packaged. It was bubble wrapped and inside this plastic container, so I don't know what happened. I didn't get any powdered sugar on my donuts. I don't know if they forgot or something. So I decided to take the mini white slime that came with the drink and try to save my donut. I added it on top, I added my sprinkles, and I loved how it looked. The base was super glossy and it smelled like a jelly donut. When I squeezed the clay, it was a little bit dry, but it was super easy to mix in. It was so fun to play with the slime and I would definitely recommend it. I'm glad she thought about the final color because even after mixing in the brown clay into the light pink slime, it was still a pink color. It definitely inflated. I used both containers to store this one. Here is everything I got for the Charlie's iced coffee drink. Kristii says she put it together on her TikTok, so I will link that down below.
And lastly, we have the infamous Charlie. I saw Peachy Babies and Snoop Slimes create this slime first, so shout out to them. They were definitely my inspiration for this slime. The slime comes with an 8-ounce clear slime base scented with a caramel coffee scent. And it also comes with two 2-ounce containers of a white slime to represent the cream and a caramel colored slime to represent the caramel. You'll also get a separate drink container, a straw, and a bag with 2 acrylic ice cubes and coffee themed sprinkles. This DIY is so fun to assemble. I assembled it on my TikTok, so definitely check it out. But I love this one so much. It turns into a super thick, milky colored clear slime after mixing, and it has the best bubble pops ever. It's so fun.
I had a lot of fun putting this one together. The white slime was very glossy and it was unscented. The caramel slime smelled exactly like caramel. It smelled so good and it was glossy as well. The 8-ounce base was coffee scented. It was so fun to add in the extras, and I didn't want to ruin the slime at all because it was so pretty. I liked that the coffee cup cover did not have a hole in it so I can store my slime in there. Overall, I give this one a 20 out of 10. It was so nice. The scents smelled so good. It was an amazing texture, and the add-ins were so fun to put in and so pretty. I just love this slime. As she said, other slime shops did the Charlie, but I do recommend if it's not sold out already. It's probably sold out already. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. Bye!